Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us today. We're going to...
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family, and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello, everyone. Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty, coming to you today with the 3Rivers Market Report for the 20th November 2024, and a lot of great signs, a lot of optimism in this report, and I'm always excited to report these numbers to you. And remember, I draw these directly from the MLS, which 93% of sales happen on the MLS, so I make sure to give you the unbiased data as best I can, and we're seeing great optimism, a lot of ups where we want to see them. Active available inventory is down, but that means demand's strong and it's stripping it. Active available listings are down 4% week over week, up 15% year over year, which is lower. We've been seeing a lot more inventory than last year for the most part for most of this year. New listings came in down 7% week over week, but up 8% year over year. Solds came in up 15% week over week, down just 6% year over year. Pendings came in up 10% week over week and up 20% year over year. Median sale price week over week came in at $245,000 versus last year week over week, showing about 14% appreciation there, up about 14%. Year over year came in about $245,150 median sale price versus last year at this time was about $230,000, showing about 7% appreciation. So we're seeing for this year about 7% appreciation. Days on market sped up almost double, came down to 20 average and 7 median, and we were looking last week at 39 average and 16 median, so doubled on both of them. And that's even faster than last year when it was 21 average and 10 median. Last 12 months homes sold came in at 4,366, showing up 2% over last year, so we're beating last year, which remember was the recession year for housing sales. Showing about 3.4 buyers per listing, so still got that strong demand, and I think demand is even stronger than that with all the pent-up demand of people, and there are various reasons for why they're not making a move. I think a lot of people want to, but they don't believe market conditions allow them to, but we can show you how to do that and find out, what is best for you. So every situation is unique. That's why I sit down and do free consultations with people. So feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.